Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to do something very simple but straightforward. We're going to be creating stars and flares. First things first, let's create the background by using the rectangular tool and move the stroke. Let's choose something. Let's go with this instead. Or I like to tune it into the green. Okay, let's go for this. Boom, boom. So we are going to create stars here. The first thing we're going to do is let's lock this by holding Control 2. That's the default for locking. Or you can come to layers, open the layers, and you can lock it from here. Okay, good. So we'll be using an already made flare. We click on it and we change the settings, turn off your rays, and opacity is okay, your growth is okay, fuzziness it's okay. Let's see the ring. We don't want rings, and I think it's okay like this. Zoom in by holding Control plus. To zoom out is Control minus. So plus it and let's object and expand. Now it's now expanded. We can ungroup it, zoom out a little bit. Then we have this. Now if you drag it here, it's just a normal flare, or just a normal what is it called, normal shiny stuff, because the way it's been applied is that the opacity is set to screen, so all the dark sides are invisible in colors and in different places. So the main thing you actually have to do to create different, I'll show you the different types that you can create. First of all, this is the first one, and this is just a basic simple one that you can create. Now let's create other ones. Let's group them back and drag them out. You can zoom in and then you can compress it, right? I think that's okay enough. Good. Now we'll go to effects, we'll go to distort and transform, then transform. Now we'll set it to preview, ensure it's ticked, and give it an angle of 30, I think, and then we can go for 6. Good. So I think this is good. It's looking very nice. Now if you move it here, you see how it looks, and I think it's nice. You could scale it up because you have expanded it. Now most times create backgrounds that are very shiny, we usually combine the two of them. So let's drag this one here, let's scale it up. And this too, you can scale it up. Then now you can just add any image. Let's pick an image. So you can actually add or adjust it to the way you want it to be, and it will sit very well. Bring it out, and you can spell tool and use, let me see, Amanda. I'm trying to get a different font for it, and yeah, and that's just how to use the flare tool. Thank you guys for watching, and check out for the next tutorial by tomorrow.